You watched my video on spreads, now you're looking for some place. Debit spreads are very, very cheap. They're also very nice to get, started in the market because they're very, very cheap. And you probably watched my airlines video. If you haven't, make sure to watch that because I'll be giving off a very, very cheap play. It'll only cost around $26, and I'm looking at American Airlines. I'm looking to do a debit spread, a call debit spread, which I'm bullish on American Airlines AAL. Why? Because if you have already watched my video on airlines, I explained deeply on it. But basically, we're looking to buy off this major demand zone, and our price target is 22. Okay, just for American Airlines. Why American Airlines, not Jets? Not Jets or American Airlines or Delta Airlines. Well, because American Airlines is the cheapest airline stock, and that is why I chose American Airlines, because it is a very, very cheap stock, so I could do cheaper plays. So I go on to Robinhood. You guys already know how to open a spread, and I take a look. Okay, so I take a look at these strikes. So these calls are already very, very cheap. Okay, on airlines, some even going for $13, but I don't want to get a regular call. If I get a week out, they're a little bit more expensive. But what if I told you guys there's a cheaper way by doing spreads, a cheaper way, and possibly a 280% gain? Okay, so what I'm taking a look at right over here is I want to go a little bit safer. So a longer expiration, because I don't want to be predicting the market like way too soon, and I think going out a little bit a longer expiration is better. And keep in mind that it will be cheap. So February 18, 2022, I think this is a great expiration date. We're looking at these calls. These calls are going for around 200, 100 right over here. And what I'm looking at is basically my price target is at $22 by February 18th. So my strike price that I'm looking to buy is a 21 strike price and sell a 22. So basically, what this spread, call debit spread, is telling me, or what I'm telling the market, is that I want American Airlines to be above $22 by February 18th in 2022. I think that is a very, very reasonable target, and we're talking about February. That's 2 months, okay? 2 months for American Airlines to go up 15%. And keep in mind that we're trading in this channel. We're looking at the daily. We're trading in this channel. And this play makes sense. Our stop loss would be below the support if we close below the support. And our technical analysis is on point. You watched my video on all the airlines, and this spread looks very nice. It costs only $26, and our max gain is $74. That is a 280% gain. Instead of just getting a regular call, this is also way cheaper than a regular call, and it is a longer expiration of February 22, and obviously we don't have data. So, I hope you guys understood. This is an example of a spread. I'm loving this spread, very, very cheap. And as a fun play, it's very, very cheap. Probably get in 3 of these contracts. They're looking very, very nice. And this is a great play for any of you guys with a small account with spreads available. And again, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, spreads, I'll leave a link in the description for how to actually open a spread. So overall, very, very simple video, very, very cheap play. Okay, $26, risking $26 to make $74. Need AAL to be above $22. Chart is on point, everything looks great, and overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. In return, all I ask for you to do is to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys do have any questions, let me know in the comments. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow.